Hello guys, so you're watching now is part 2 of the last video, so part 1 to be continued, so and this is part 2, so we're just halfway through the bowling and we're just having a break from them that walking. That bonus, that to be continued clip was me trying to swing on the tyre swing. It's less fun than it is, but I want to try it again when I come back. So I got my not that woman. So sunshine today, very sunshine. All you see is white on the screen. Yeah, and this red coat I'm wearing. The last time I wore it, I was at the Trafford Centre. I was walking from Deansgate Castle Field to there. So some children here. So and this is my first bowling vlog. So they're having a coffee. And they'll show you the blue sky. You see it's white on the, there you go. White, the blue sky we're having today, the best weather of the year. We get is mostly cloudy. So alright then guys, so we're back now. We've had a good time and yeah. And I'm gonna do the prank again. Right then, it's enough now. Enough, the game fed up. So, sorry about that. Hey guys, guess what I've got? Whatsits crunchy flaming hot flavour. So guys, I'm back home now and my mum's just gone out again, and look at the sky and the moon. Yeah, so I'm back home now, and anyway, this is the end of the video now, so remember, subscribe to this new channel, and yeah, subscribe to my new channel, press the subscribe, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.